everyone, welcome to another SWAT 123 video. In this video, I have an Elgato HD60S HD60 right here, and I'm gonna unbox it. So let's get the paper off. This. Open this up. And we have the game capture card itself right here, and some instructions on the box. Then we have something in here. You can open this, and it comes with all the wires you need. And then it comes with a little Elgato gaming sticker too. So that's basically it for this. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this short unboxing of my Elgato videos and basically live streams coming with this soon. So you guys have enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.